Hello everyone, this is Tablescape Tuesday, and on today's episode, we have created a peach garden tablescape, perfect for a Saturday or Sunday's brunch, or for whatever reason you desire it to be. And this tablescape is nice and bright and airy, very colorful. I think you'll enjoy it. Stay tuned. In my display, I have the white tablecloths, but at the end of the video, I changed the color of the napkins. So you want to make sure that you watch this video until the end. You'll be impressed. And so guys, this tablecloth was my inspiration for this tablescape. It is so pretty. I can't begin to tell you, and the camera is just not doing it any justice. It's such a pretty color in person. I wish you could truly see the colors. However, I'm going to try and do my best to decorate this table so that you will enjoy it. So folks, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have gotten some inspiration to help you to create a beautiful tablescape. And so for those of you that might be new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting. And if you have not subscribed yet, I suggest you do so. I upload a tablescape every Tuesday with a different theme, and you don't want to miss next week's tablescape. So folks, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again, and have a great week, everybody. God bless.